Are you struggling with the keyboard avoiding view in React Native? It can be really frustrating when it pushes your content up too far, right? Well, you're not alone, and today we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when your layout doesn't behave as expected. You might have a similar screen that works perfectly, but then there's this one that just doesn't cooperate. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why is my keyboard avoiding view pushing up content with excessive padding?" They mentioned that while it works smoothly on one screen, it adds way too much space on another. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what could be causing this excessive padding? The keyboard avoiding view adjusts its behavior based on the keyboard's presence and the layout of your components. Sometimes it can miscalculate the available space, leading to unwanted gaps. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you optimize your layout and avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue with the keyboard avoiding view pushing content too far up, the user should first check the behavior prop. It's important to ensure that the behavior is set correctly for the intended layout. Next, the user should consider adjusting the keyboard vertical offset prop. This prop allows for fine-tuning the distance between the keyboard and the content, which can help reduce excessive padding. Additionally, the user should review the styles applied to the container and form elements. Sometimes, excessive padding or margin in the styles can contribute to the issue. Finally, if the issue persists, the user can experiment with different behavior values, such as position or height, to see if they yield better results for their specific layout. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile phones were so bulky that they could double as a weapon? Thankfully, our coding tools are much more user-friendly today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests adjusting the behavior of the keyboard avoiding view based on the platform. They recommend using padding for iOS and height for Android. Additionally, they mention the need to import the platform module from React Native. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your layout on different devices and orientations. This will help you catch any issues with the keyboard avoiding view before they become a problem. And there you have it. With these tips, your keyboard avoiding view should work much better now. Remember, testing and tweaking are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more React Native tips and tricks.